Hello, in this video I'm gonna try to help you with the problem that you may have which is that your iPhone is not turning off. If you experience that sort of problem, then there's a chance that your iPhone was freezed, for example, or you maybe don't know how to turn it off, or it's plugged into power. Because if it's plugged into charging, then it may not want to turn off, just for some security reasons, like when it's plugged into charging, then it's turned on, so it sends location if you have location services enabled, so you can later track it. And it's great because if someone steals your iPhone and plugs it into power, then the iPhone cannot be turned off. So that's the first thing. You maybe cannot turn it off because it's plugged into power. Second thing, maybe you don't know how. So if you don't know how, just press and hold on power and either of the volume buttons until you see this screen. Then slide to power off and wait. If you failed to do it, maybe the phone is freezed. To do it, I will actually unplug it from the power, so I'm sure it works. Now, you may do a force shutdown. It's actually gonna be a force restart, not a force shutdown, but if you want to shut it down, not restart it, then you can do the force restart, then shut it down. But typically, typically when your iPhone is just typically you just want to restart it, not turn it off. But yeah, if you wanna do a force restart, then you'll need to do it quickly. Click on volume up, then release, volume down, then release, and then start pressing and holding on power button. And even if something shows up on the screen, keep on pressing until the display goes off. Now you can release the button. So I'm gonna repeat that. Short press on volume up, short press on volume down, then long press on power button until the display goes off. Now let's wait until the iPhone turns off. I mean turns on again, because it's a force restart, right? And as you can see, the phone is on now, so if you still want to turn it off, not restart it, then press and hold on power and either of the volume buttons. And now slide to power off. I'm gonna cancel that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.